in my trip to Boston. Where are you going to? I'm discovering Boston, Massachusetts. I am really excited. Where are you living? I'm traveling on December 3. Who are you getting there? I'm taking an Spirit flight number NQ236. Departure at 3:20 afternoon to Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and arriving at 6:50 afternoon. Then I am taking a connecting flight to Boston, flight number NQ610, leaving at 5:10 and arriving at Logan International Airport at 2:21 morning. Where are you starting? I'm starting to Hong Suite by Hilton Boston Logan Airport Chelsea Hotel. I'm starting in the suite with 2 bedrooms and one is the non-smoker. It costs approximately $1,976 for the 10th day and started there. Are you staying together all the time? I'm discovering Boston alone. Where are you eating there? In the hotel. They provide me with breakfast, lunch, and dinner. What are you doing there during your visit? I have a list of places to visit. The first day, I am planning to visit the main train station, the South Station, the one is the Boston Downtown, and Oslo, the International Bus Station, and the front of each Chinatown located. Then I will visit Boston Financial Center and later Paramount Theater as well. I am visiting Boston Granary Cemetery, which is next to Granary Barry Brown Capitol. Nearby is also the Quiz Market. During my second day, I am visiting the aquarium and nearby the Italian Tomb and Paul Revere House, as well as Harvard University. On the third day, I trip to Fenway Park. On the fourth day, I'm moving on the East Boston for Permini ice cream. What are you saying during your stay there? During the 5th day, I am entering an event at the TD Boston Garden on December 9, 2021, and the tradition is a gala decision. There I am meeting a bet on sport legends. I am visiting to see the Benjamin Franklin Memorial and the Boston State House on the 6th day. During day number 7, I am visiting the waterfall in Boston and the Old North Shore. In my 8th day, I am visiting the Skyward Observatory too. On the ninth day, I'm taking Boston Sussex cruise to enjoy the breathtaking views. By the 10th day, I'm walking the Boston Harbor. I having a trip on the 11th to 5 of Marshfield, Massachusetts town. Out of my room is a one-weekend bed in partial ocean view, one costing $676 until December 15, so I can get the chance to know town sculpture. Where are you coming back? On the 15th, I am arriving to Logan International Airport to come back to Colombia. On my Spirit flight NQ609, that is the departure at 5:15 morning to Florida. After reaching there, I'm taking my second ride, flight NQ237 to Medellin, landing in Jose Maria Cordova International Airport at 2:30 afternoon. Prepared by Sarah Rodriguez Mejia. Thank you very much for traveling with me.